The builder pattern is one of the creational design patterns from the Gang of Four, GOF, design patterns. It is used to construct complex objects step by step. The pattern allows you to produce different types and representations of an object using the same construction process. This pattern is particularly useful when the creation process of an object involves several steps or when the construction process should allow different representations for the object being built. I'm Balaji Chandrasekharan. Today, I will be discussing about the builder pattern and how to implement a builder pattern in object-oriented language like Java. Please like, share my video, and subscribe my channel. The following are the key concepts of the builder pattern. Product represents the complex object being built. Consider an example where you need to build different types of houses, example wooden house, brick house. Each house consists of several parts like basement, structure, roof, and interior. The house class represents the complex object that is being built. It has attributes for the different parts of the house and methods to set these parts. Builder specifies an abstract interface for creating parts of a product object. The house builder interface defines the methods needed to build the different parts of a house. It also has a method to return the final product. Concrete builder constructs and assembles parts of the product by implementing the builder interface. The wooden house builder and brick house builder classes implement the house builder interface and provide specific implementations for building different parts of the house. Director constructs an object using the builder interface. The civil engineer class is responsible for constructing the house using the house builder interface. It calls the necessary methods on the builder to create the house step by step. I am overriding the toString method of house class to print in the console. Now I am creating a new class builder pattern test, which is the client code that creates instances of the concrete builders and passes them to the director. It then asks the director to construct the house and retrieves the final product. Lombok is a Java library that provides a set of annotations to reduce boilerplate code in Java classes. One of the features provided by Lombok is the @builder annotation, which automatically generates a builder pattern for the annotated class. When you annotate a class with @builder, Lombok generates a static inner builder class with methods for setting the fields of the outer class and a build method to create an instance of the outer class. With Lombok, you can achieve the same result with much less code by using the @builder annotation. I am creating a new class user to demonstrate how to create builder pattern using Lombok. Lombok will automatically generate a static inner user builder class with setter methods and a build method. Some of the advantages of using Lombok for builder pattern are: reduction of boilerplate code. Lombok drastically reduces the amount of boilerplate code you need to write for implementing the builder pattern. Readability, the code becomes cleaner and easier to read, as the repetitive parts are handled by Lombok. Consistency, Lombok ensures consistency in the generated builder methods, reducing the risk of errors in manual implementations. Some of the benefits of the builder pattern are: controlled construction process. The construction process is controlled by the director, which ensures that the product is built correctly. Flexibility, the builder pattern provides flexibility in the creation process. Different builders can create different representations of the product. Encapsulation, the complex construction process is encapsulated in the builder, hiding the details from the client. The builder pattern is particularly useful when the construction process is complex and involves several steps. It provides a clear and controlled way to create objects, ensuring that the construction process is flexible and the resulting objects are consistent. We have reached the conclusion of the session and look forward to seeing you in our next one. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.